바라보면 하고 싶은 말 내가 너의 그늘이 돼줄게 언제나 편하게 기대도 돼 네가 원한다면 yeah. 내가 너의 곁에 영원히 옆에서 지켜줄게 행복한 날을 약속할게 너와 난 그렇게 있어도 돼 저기 하늘을 봐 yeah. 널 보면 있어지는 내가 너만의 빛이 돼줄게 약속할게 짙은 어둠이 드리워도 우리가 함께 헤쳐나가다 보면 그 무엇도 우릴 방해할 수 없어 널 위해 난 모든 걸 다 내어줄게 Star Struck 오늘따라 유난히 더
It's really good. It's nice and nutty. Hi sweeties, it's Elle, and today we are going to have a studio reset. I'm going to clean up my desk over here in this whole situation and figure out what to do about my fabric swatch book, which I have started. This is my fabric swatch book, and it has almost all of my fabrics that I've bought and kept over the years, and I'm just gonna try and organize them and keep them together and free up some space in my fabric drawer, because fabric takes up a lot of space and I don't have enough time or projects to use all of them, so I thought I could just archive them here in this fabric swatch book. But before we get to that, I have to do a little bit of a life update. To be honest, the last year or so has been really hard on me. I've been trying to keep my head above water, and I'm very much in survivor mode right now. But I don't want to get into too much details because that's private, and I want to respect my family's privacy and everything. So I won't go into too much detail about what's going on, but basically it's survivor mode. I'm in fight or flight all the time, and it's just been really hard the last year with our finances, with my health, and it's just been a roller coaster of emotions and so many things going on, and it's just kind of stuff that I don't really want to talk about, but I need to address it here in my channel, because otherwise it doesn't make sense why I'm having creative blocks, or why I'm having a hard time making content, or I'm having a hard time opening up in my relationships, and just making time to do anything creative has been such a blessing for me. And like, that's honestly the only thing that's keeping me sane during this tough time for me and my family. So it's just kind of like, you know, I'm trying to soldier on, I'm trying to keep the faith and all that stuff, but it's hard when you're going through it in the moment. And everything just feels like everything's falling apart, and it's just, I'm just trying to let you guys know what's going on, and to let you guys know if I ever take a break or if I ever need to take a week off from content, you know, that's what's going on in my life. I don't promote it much or at all on this channel, but I do have a coffee account, which is basically a tipping or a donation platform that most artists use in exchange for people's tips and coffee, buy me a coffee. People usually give out like little mail trains or little like rewards or like a system for subscribers or people who want to keep donating on a regular basis. That's what the coffee is for. It's kind of like Patreon, but the only reason why I didn't do Patreon is because I don't provide products or services. I'm still thinking about what to offer on my coffee profile, but for now, if you guys are willing and or want to be generous and help me out and help me and my family out, you can always donate to my coffee page, which I'll link down below, and you'll put on the screen as well. And you guys can feel free to donate whatever you can. Please be responsible. Don't give more than you can in the moment. And yeah, I just really, any amount would help and really would put less of a burden on myself and my family. So thank you guys for being there and supporting, and let's get to cleaning my desk and starting my fabric swatch book. Okay, so this is the state of my desk right now. I got medications and stickers and a lot of trash on top of here. I got a wallet that doesn't belong here. I got some cups from a cup sleeve event or several cup sleeve events that I need to put away and figure out what to do with. I have my junk journal that I just finished doing. My laptop, a sketchbook that I don't use as much, but I'm trying to, and a lot of junk mail in that corner over there where my sketchbooks are. So I've got a lot of work cut out for me. So hopefully we can time lapse this and hopefully get this desk looking a lot better because it's driving me nuts. So let's go. Getting pretty dark here right now in the apartment, but I think I did a pretty good job cleaning my desk here. So hopefully I can do some more creative stuff in a minute. But right now it's getting dark. I might have to film again tomorrow. But yeah, now it's time to relax and enjoy having a clean and organized desk.
The next day.
So these are the smaller stashes of my fabrics that I have, my fabric samples that I have. A lot of the bigger pieces are in my storage bins near my sewing desk, so I don't have to worry about those. These ones I'm going to trim and put into my swatch book and then get rid of. I'll save like little tiny bits for like my sketchbook, drawings and stuff like that, and references, but for the most part I'm going to be tossing away any excess fabric that I don't need or don't want to use in my sketchbook. So I'm just going to tackle this pile and we'll go from there. I have my regular paper scissors and my pinking shears, which will help with the fabrics from unraveling. So let's go from there.
Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see you're probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long. And your friends are drunk, and the DJ I see that bite in your cherry lips, giving me a hint at an early exit. Can't believe, gotta pinch your cheek to know this isn't fantasy. Right, right, skip the chit chat cause that shit cheap. Doesn't matter either way cause I can hear everything. Wanna get some air to breathe cause I can see you falling asleep. Your friends are drunk and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me? Escape with me. Do you want to escape with me? Escape with me. Oh, intuition, follow intuition. Escape with me. Escape with intuition, follow intuition.
My camera overheated, so I wasn't able to film the whole process, but I finished all of my fabrics swatches for my fabric swatch book. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through over these. I organized them by color and by weight. So the front has more lightweight fabrics. It's definitely a more blue and grayish kind of color palette and like dark tones, and then once it gets a little heavier I switch on to a different color palette, which is the yellow and black. There's a little bit of red in there, and some more black and yellow, and these are a little bit more like any colors. Like I noticed that there's a little bit of a plum color palette going on here, and then the rest are just my prints, my printed fabrics. So I just have all of them in the back here. Most of them are florals and some ginghams, some abstract fabrics as well, and some miscellaneous wool or jacket and coat fabrics on here. And oh, this should be in the front. This should be in front of this one. Let me switch that out right now, actually. Since I'm doing everything mostly by weight and by color. Let's see. These need to be organized. Not really. Not really. Let's just put these two in front of each other. Yay! So yeah, that is all my fabrics that I currently have in my fabric stash. I did keep some of the excess fabrics that I had so I can put them in my sketchbook when I'm sketching and coming up with new designs and possible new collections. But yeah, this will be nice to be able to archive and keep on file what fabrics I have. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, drinking my matcha, having a little sit down talk, and watching me fill up this fabric swatch book. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you guys haven't already, be sure to join my coffee or buy me a coffee on coffee.com/sweetasl, and I would appreciate any donations or any tips from you guys or from anyone who sees this channel, whether you're a sweetie or not. I really appreciate your generosity, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye, sweeties.
Spin me around and around.